What is going on, guys? My name is Jeff and this is Broken Paddock. I just got back from Lowe's where I ended up picking up a multimeter tool. This is the Cobalt 3-piece electric test kit, so I can go ahead and check the resistance on the backup camera. I found the testing documents and all the steps I need to go through. I'm up to about step 7 without even having to look in the truck because I already know everything that works. I know the front camera works and the rear camera doesn't. So going through all their pinpoint tests, I was been able to get to step 7, in which I needed the multimeter. So I did pick that up, and while I was there, I also picked up something else for the garage. So something else I did pick up is the Ego power blower. It's a 765 CFM. This is, from what they had in store, the most expensive one they had. It's the highest CFM, the highest run time. It's got the 5 amp hour battery and charger. So I've used the one 2 steps below this at my work. Loved it. When the roofing company that was working on our roof took it back with them, we've kind of been looking for something new, and I loved the way this one worked. And I figure if I'm going to end up buying one for the extra 40 bucks or whatever it was, I did get the one with the 90-minute runtime and the highest number of CFM, which is the 765. So let me go ahead and open this up. I only opened up the lid just to look inside. So this is what we've got. We got the battery charger, a tube connector. For the end, we have the blower hose, the machine, shoulder strap, and at the very bottom of the box is the battery. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this set up and see if I can test it out. Alright guys, so all put together, this is the Ego 765 CFM leaf blower. To test it out, I just hit the button kind of on accident, and then the battery is dead. I did put it on just so we can see what it looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and pull the battery off and give it a charge, and we should be able to run through it in the next video because I do have to clean a driveway and a few other things. So yeah, I've been looking to get one of these for a little bit. Not exactly not this exact one, but I was looking at the like entry-level one that they have that's only like 590 CFM. It's the one we've used at work, or it's like 610 or something like that, but it's one we've used at work and I've really liked. And then this one wasn't too much more expensive, so I opted for this one instead of getting the the lower one that had way less runtime and way less everything, way less power. So for a couple bucks more, get this one, have more power, and I can use it with the attachment that it comes with. I can also use it to like dry off cars and stuff after washing them. So it'll definitely be useful, more of an investment than anything else, but gotta put it on the charger so I can show you guys how it works later on. So that's gonna be probably it for this video. I'll see you guys in the next one.